Hey everyone, we're here at the Hive Life honey judging show with the Welsh judges, and behind me are all the entries, and everyone who is a Welsh judge is in a white smock and hat, and thought you'd be interested in watching this. Just kind of pan around. We're here at the honey show booth where they judge the honey, and here's all the bottles of honey lined up the back wall. Here's some of the wax entries here at the honey show. Along with some other woodenware entries. Here's the grand prize for the honey show. All right, we're here with the Welsh judges, and this lady,
I'm Nancy Simpson.
You're Nancy, and she's going to explain to us what the Welsh judge actually goes through and how she judges in the honey contest here at Hive Life 2023.
We're so excited. This is the first time the Welsh honey system has been here. It's the American system of Welsh honey judging, and it's a bit different that we have, you may wonder about our hats and coats, and that's meant for cleanliness, and we really think of food service. We're really judging a food product. This has been fantastic. Hive Live this year, we had 535 entries, separate entries here. There were 7 judges from Georgia, South Carolina, Indiana, and Illinois. We judged for 8.5 hours. This was a fantastic show. So glad people entered. And the system's a bit different than the American system. We don't do score sheets. We do comment cards. So our style is to give really good feedback, and we have a high standard. So what you'll see is not everybody gets first, second, third place. In other words, we often don't have a first place entry that's worthy. So we have standards, and it's just very gratifying to judge and to do the honey shows.
So can you give us a couple points of, I guess, what you're looking for when you do judge, let's say a bottle of honey?
Sure. So honey shows are much more than honey, but that's the classic. So in the far back, I don't know if you can see the wonderful array of
I took a nice pan shot of the wall of honey, as I call it.
So honey, I would say, is judged, of course, for presentation. You have to, number one, read the rules.
Yeah.
Each honey show is different, and specify the rules. And they're going to call for certain glasses, certain number of jars, certain number of entries. So this particular show had 3 bottles. They've got to be identical in every way. Cleanliness, of course, the presentation, no dents, no divots. That's pretty obvious. But we also open the jar, taste it.
We do. I was going to ask that, whether you do actually taste it.
Absolutely, but honey shows are not purely for taste, in fact, mostly for off tastes.
Okay.
There's a bit of smoky flavor, or if it's fermented, if the water content is off, that's an issue.
That's right. Well, thanks very much, and it's been exciting here at the Hive Life concert, and especially at the Welsh honey judging area.
Thank you very much, and hopefully you'll all come back and maybe enter the show next year.